Hi everyone, this is Arman. Thanks for joining us. I'm here to introduce to you the Alcidae Visioner, and I'm going to unbox it for you and show you what's inside. Alright, so let's get into it. Here it is. Here's a camera. You'll see it's you can rotate it 180 degrees. You can rotate, you can fold it, bend it around. It has a magnetic base mount here, so you can attach it to any metal surface, you could refrigerator or any panel. You could detach it from the base here and connect it to another base. It has 1080p. It has an SD card in the back. It's a very kid-friendly, very simple camera to use. You just plug it in, set up your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. So let's take a look at some of the other items in the box. So two other boxes in here, and let's see. So here's the micro USB cable. And then we have the wall mount here, so you can screw this to a wall or tape it to a wall with the adhesive here, then mount it to any non-metal surface. Here's the wall adapter. So you have the wall adapter here, and then you have the screws here for installing it to a wall. And that's about it. That's the unboxing of the Alcidae Visioner. Thanks for joining us.